Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from January's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Refresh. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm, Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit, Wanderess Escape Eyeshadow Palette, Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology, and the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out the products we received, starting with the Earth Harbor Radiance Balm. This is the only skincare product in the box this month, and it's a moisturizer, but it has this really unique texture. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and organic, and it smells so good, like a tropical garden. Next, I'm trying out the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. It contains 6 blendable, silky creams that are designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face. I like how it includes an instruction manual with a face shape diagram to help beginners. It's supposed to be formulated for all skin tones, but as you can see by my swatches, the colors are much darker than my skin tone and they are all very warm. I'm contouring with the first and lightest contour shade using a damp beauty sponge. Now I'm moving on to the eyes with the Wanderess Escape Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 10-pan palette with mostly shimmer shades. Let's swatch a few. The matte shades aren't very pigmented, but the shimmer shades are nice and shiny. First, I'm dipping into the matte shade called Enchanted. I'm applying this to the inner and outer part of the eye. Next, I'm grabbing the shimmer shade called Stargaze. I'm adding this to the center of the eye. Next, I'm applying the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. Just like the name says, this is powered by a magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash, similar to how the Benefit Their Real Mascara works. Finally, I'm applying the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner. This is in the shade 2CC, which is a medium brown color. It's a traditional wood pencil, but it's very creamy. Here's the finished look using products from January's Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.